Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into it. So, today's video is actually going to be about a perfect setup for day trading penny stocks. I'm going to show you what to do if you want to trade pre-market or during the regular trading markets, and a couple of tips and tricks I'm going to kind of walk through. This is one of my main trading screens that I personally use for when I do kind of these momentum or penny stocks and all that. And it kind of gives you everything you need, I truly believe. So first off, time and sales. Okay, so you could see your time and sales, how many trades are going off. Right over here is orders. Right, there were 2 shares, 96, 100, the time and the price. Okay, really good, because if there's ever like a big order up at a certain place, you could kind of see it like right here. Right, if there's a big order, we'll say 50 or 500 shares, and this is a potential breakout, right? You'll start to see the shares go through, and if it goes 400, 300, and you start seeing big shares being bought up, okay, maybe you want to jump on and get long. It just really helps you. Second, down here, you actually have your kind of quick buttons. It tells you how big the spread is. That's one of the main things I like to use this for. Hey, look, it's a 39 cents by 64. That's a pretty wide spread. Okay, so this is something that it's just I'll glance at to see how wide the spread is. And if it's something that I want to trade at that time. If you ever want to change your quantity, let's say you want to do 100 shares, right? You just do that, press enter, and then you can actually buy 100 shares at one or the other prices instantly, just going through here. So next, what I like to do is I like to come over here, okay? And I have the join bid and join ask, right? So kind of going back to where the current bid ask is, if I want to just kind of buy at the market, okay, I could put my mouse on. Actually, it looks, maybe we're down here. I have no clue. We can't see the bid ask right now. But if you want to just buy 100 at the bid, right, just join the bid and try and get a better fill, right, I'd be looking at 337.39, it says. So let's see right there, right? So even though they're not showing here, it's aftermarket hours, but if I want to join, I could go there. Okay, so I could try and get a lot better fill if I'm looking to go long, or I could go join ask, and if we go up here, right, I could look to potentially go short up at this level, right, and I'd be joining the ask, as you could see, right? Now, I actually like to use these pre-market before the market opens, because what I'll do is I'll come down here, time and force, I'll change it to GTC EXT, and what happens is, because you can only do limit orders pre-market and post-market, so you can't do market orders, you can only do limit orders, sorry. If I messed up there, you can only do limit orders. So what I like to do is and you can't do bracket orders, anything like that. It's just the way Thinkorswim works. So what I'll do is I'll come over here, join the bid, and join the ask, right? So if I want to get long, I'll join the bid, boom, wait for a price to fill me. Once I'm filled and I want to sell, I'll watch down here, and I'll just click on join the ask. Once I see this number hit my target of where I want to sell, I'll just left click that, and it'll put an order, a limit order right there. Now, if for a stop loss, because again, you can only use limit orders, what I like to do is if price is going against me, I'll just click join the ask, and I'll just put the order, a limit order. Even though it'll be for a loss, it'll just be a limit order, and you'll get it out the trade at that price as price goes up, okay? So that's the way I like to use this. And then during the regular trading hours, I'll change that. Today, right here, you have your different share accounts. If you want, come up here, application settings, right? And then if you go to order defaults, all you need to do is change this to 100. Okay, and now if I want to do 300, 500, 1,000 shares, however many, you could change it here, or you can manually type in something like this if you want. Okay, then I have my bracket orders. I really like using my brackets. Let's say I want to risk 10 cents to make 10, and then I could do just kind of put a limit order below the market, or a limit order above, and then everything just becomes automated. And then once I do that, I can either move my orders. So let's say I want to put an order down here. I could just move this up here, move this real quick, right? And then move everything there. If I want to cancel, just hit cancel, and then it cancels the order. So I like to do things like that for bracket orders during the day. So I always have a exit and a target, because sometimes the markets move so quick. I'm not trying to buy and sell at the ask. I know people like Ross Cameron, they'll just buy at the market, sell at the market. But people like me, listen, the market moves way too quick. By the time I order, what we see on the screen, the order is already moved, more than likely in a fast market, and you're going to get a lot of slippage. So I want to say, hey, get me in here, out there, and I'll usually default to a 20-cent stop loss, right, on all my trades, because worst case scenario, I'm going to lose 20 cents, maybe if there's any slippage, I'm okay with it. So then what I have here is I have the first hour high and low. If you guys watch all my other videos, a lot of the same stuff, high and low, with my 38, 61% fibs and 210 fib extensions. I also like to use 2-minute charts. Okay, I actually don't like 1 minute. I like 2-minute charts so much better than the 1-minute charts for scalping penny stocks. That's me personally. I just think they're a lot cleaner, and also the type of trading that I do, it just works a lot better for me. Less false moves and things like that. Then the purple line is our VWAP. Okay, just a regular VWAP with basic settings. Then the 200 EMA, okay, exponential moving average. And this is kind of what the settings are, right? Exponential 200, candle retracement, right? So if I zoom in, I actually have the prior, like high and low of the prior candle, things like that. And then this is the opening price right here, this dotted line. And then what else I have here is, this is from 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's the opening price of what's where price opens, right? The market. I know red to green moves, things like that. And then I also have my waterfall code in here. I have my fast stochastics, or we overbought, oversold. That's all I use it for. And then volume. I'll look for potential volume spikes. Hey, we're breaking out? Is volume coming in? Things like that. Down here, I have my news, my level 2, which I also see over here. And then again, just my buttons. With the bid ask, look at this, we're 42 cent, 43 cent spread. Okay, maybe I don't want to do a trade like this, because if I get filled, chances are I might get stopped out too in a quick market with such a wide spread. And then finally, or two more things, this is a two minute, 1 day. So 1 day chart, 2 minutes, but it's extended trading hours, okay? So if we go into style, you could see I'm showing extended trading hour session, and I also highlight extended. So the highlight is pre and post market, and then the dark area is regular trading hours from 9:30 until 1 p.m. And then finally, this is one of my favorite codes, and let's pull up another stock to see if we could see it. That's probably not good. AMD. Try and find something here. Let's pull up the ESs, okay? There's a liquidity here. So as you can see, I have my high and low of the prior candle, right? You see it here, this black area. Okay, and this is the this candle, this is the current candle, the prior candle's high and low, and the 50% level. Well, this is a code giving me those levels. I'll do another video on this, or maybe by the time this video comes out, I've already done the video, so it's really good. I'll show you guys, I'll go into depth of how that works, so make sure you guys go look at how that code works. It's amazing, I think. It tells you the high, low, and the 50%. So with all that being said, I hope you guys find this video really helpful for your own day trading if you're trading momentum. And as always, I will leave a share to this chart so you guys can have this same exact trade setup chart. All you have to do is go in there and upload it, and you guys will be all set. So until next time, as always, thank you for watching, and we will talk to you soon. Oh, one last thing. If you guys use a BookMap, okay, right here, great for day trading S&P futures, stocks, things like that. I have a link down below for a free trial, and it's just great to be able to see support and resistance. The support and resistance above and below the market, really, really good. I have a few videos on BookMap. Go take a look at them, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you.